Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Download Dollars, which launches on the 25th of March at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this debut release from Paul Tilley. Now, this will appeal to you if you fall into one of two categories, really. Firstly, those of you that are brand new or currently really struggling online, that could do with an easy way to make a small amount of money each day, which will then lead on to bigger amounts that you can scale up. So what Paul is actually doing with this is showing you how you can make $10 a day and then gradually scale that up to larger amounts. So it's for people really that have absolutely hit a wall and they just can't make that initial breakthrough into earning small amounts of money online. But secondly, this is also for those of you that have got lots of PLR products on your hands that you haven't really been able to do anything with or use them effectively, because this is going to show you a way that you can actually monetize that PLR, that's private label rights products. So I'm sure a lot of you have got a lot of PLR products on your hard drive. Maybe you've been using some of them as lead magnets, which is great, but wouldn't it be nice to actually monetize some of that PLR as well and actually be able to sell it and make money from that every day like Paul does? So if that's you, if you fall into either one of those two categories, then listen on to this review. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Download Dollars from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. Now, as usual, I don't want that to happen because they are, as the name suggests, custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Download Dollars, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are particularly congruent. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the sales page. How I got my first $10 days, and you can do the same. No cost, easy, automated, and the sales videos here, you can watch it either here or on my bonus page. It even comes with a little outtake at the end where Paul gets interrupted by a train. So for those of you that like that sort of stuff. And we've also got access to the members area, which is here. When it loads, as usual, my computer is incredibly slow, so it will load up in a second, folks. There it goes. Also, we're going to have a look at the bonuses that the vendor is giving to everybody. They're not actually on the sales page, but I will run through what they are. Just bear with me, there they are. And also, we'll have a look at the upsells. There are only 2 upsells, folks, so we will have a look at those. All right, so let me just put that on pause a second. Sorry, folks.
Hello, Davies, and thank you for taking the time.
Right, sorry about that. Right, okay, so custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page. What's Download Dollars all about? Simple, newbie-friendly, step-by-step videos that will get you up and running your own business in hours. We will guide you on exactly how to get a fully completed product that you can instantly sell, how you can get your products looking like they're worth thousands, how to drive quality targeted traffic to your products, start to build up an email list of buyers who will be generating passive income in years to come, and how to take your product and sell it on several platforms that will make you automated income to the next level. Okay, so the first custom bonus that I'm going to throw in is I'm going to show you the top secret best places to sell PLR. Now, Paul actually gives you some places in this video where you can sell private label rights products, but I'm also going to give you some really underused top secret places where you can straight away get some sales for your private label rights products and start banking in those $10 a day plus that Paul mentions in this product. So that is the first bonus. Secondly, I'm going to give you my flagship traffic course, Tigers Traffic. this will show you 10 different ways that you can get an endless supply of free organic traffic on demand each and every day, which you can use to promote your PLR products. Next, I'm going to show you I'm going to give you this product, 5K Publishing Paydays by Brendan Mace, which actually shows you another way that you can actually monetize these mini reports, these mini PLR books that you're going to be creating using download dollars. So that is my third bonus. Fourthly, I'm going to give you silver membership at Surefire Wealth, and this will give you a great source of private label rights products if you don't currently have any that you can go and get right now and that you can rebrand and start to sell. So now Paul does actually show you some places where you can get some free PLR, which is of not particularly great quality. The quality of the stuff in Surefire Wealth is decent. You know, it's good enough for you to be able to sell it on. So that is my fourth bonus. And fifth, I'm going to give you this 1.5 hour masterclass on how to make money with private label rights products. All right. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, which will help you a great deal with this. Now, Paul is a man after my own heart in that he really goes in for sparse sales pages. So there's nothing at all hypey about this, which I like. Do online sales the right way. No need for your own products. No costs. Easy to follow. Automated income. No hype. Just practical, realistic guidelines. And this is what we've just gone through on my sales page. Exactly what you get with this. Simple, a complete product, quality, traffic, forever income, and multi-marketing. $10 a day passive income, turn it into a full-time income, and a little bit about who Paul is. And that is really it. He's a post-grad from Oxford Brookes University. And you can see it's as non-hypey as it gets, folks. It just tells you what it does, and there's the sales video. What could be better than that? All right, so the bonuses that come with this, folks, so they are how to gain traffic and authority with PLR, a PLR starter pack, email list secrets step-by-step guide, email list secrets video tutorial, and email list building gold. Now, all of those, you don't need to download them from anywhere. They're automatically included with the product itself. So here we are. So this is obviously the intro. Paul's going to show you where you can get some PLR for free. And he's also going to recommend some places if you want to get better quality PLR to sell. He's going to show you that as well. Look at the downloaded products. Going to look at how to edit the products to make it your own. So change it from what it's originally looking like. Because obviously with private label rights products, you can rebrand them as your own and edit them in any way. If you don't have English as a first language and you need to get someone else to do this for you, then there's a video here showing you how you can get your products edited by other people for virtually no money. How to change the cover of your ebook so it's a lot more exciting and easier to sell, how to get a book cover mock-up, where to sell it for free, how to pimp your products for even more results, where to start to advertise your products, and the next stages of making money, and then all of your bonuses are delivered at the bottom there. Yeah, so it's a pretty straightforward members area as well. So the price of this, folks, is only $7.97, so it's a really low front-end price. Shows you everything you need. The only upsells, folks, are reseller rights to this, and also Paul's previous product. I know I said this is his debut release. He's actually done some stuff on Warrior Forum, but this is his first proper release. But he has got another release about Kindle publishing as well. You can have reseller rights to both of those for $36.97 and sell them and get 100% commission across the whole funnel. And secondly, he's actually offering you 6 months one-on-one coaching plus email support. So to make sure that you succeed with this method, and it's $197, which is dead cheap for coaching, folks, for 6 months. Yeah, for 6 months. Yeah, I would charge that for an hour of coaching these days. Yeah. And I really don't do much coaching these days because I don't have the time. So that's the advantage with up and coming affiliates, folks. Yeah, when I first started out, I was able to offer a more sort of one-on-one coaching service, which obviously I've grown too big now. I suppose you could say that I don't have the time to be able to do that. But with someone like Paul, he's an up and coming affiliate, so you could have 6 months of coaching with him for $197, which is a pretty good deal. So that is that, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is click the green button there. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on this button when it opens, when the cart opens. That will take you through to the receipt page at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of Download Dollars. Click on the blue button to access My Custom Bonuses. And that is that, folks. It's a no-nonsense product, and it does what it says on the tin. You'll know whether you need it or not, but if you need to make that small amount of daily money, and also if you want to use up that PLR and get it working for you so you can get your private label rights products earning you money each and every day, then this is for you. It's only going to cost you $7.95, so what have you got to lose is what I would say. So I'm going to give it 4.5 out of 5 on the Elite Tigers Group rating. All that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath and you'll be informed every time I bring out a new recording. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Download Dollars.